Hi, amazing people. Welcome and welcome back. Thank you so much for coming today. In today's video, guys, I share with you this easy yam recipe with egg sauce. If you like to see how I made this, please continue watching. I've gone ahead to wash and peel my yams, and I've just added a little bit of salt, and it's cooking right over there. And over here, we are making the sauce, the egg sauce. I've just added some onions, and I'll allow this to fry for a minute or two. Then I'll go ahead to add some ginger and garlic paste. You can skip this, is optional, but I love to have that taste of ginger, especially in my egg sauce. So I've just added some ginger and garlic paste. I'll fry for a minute, then I'll go ahead to add some peppers. Over here I have some bell pepper and some scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, I'll fry this for a few minutes. So the peppers has been frying for almost 5 minutes, and I'll go ahead to add some seasoning powder. I'll also add some salt. Then I'll stir this. Once I stir this, I will go ahead to add some prawns. You can use fish to do this, any fish of your choice, but tuna fish goes well with this egg sauce. So but today I'm making use of prawns. Once I've added the prawns, I'll make sure they are well coated in the sauce. Then I'll allow it to cook for the next 1 minute. After 1 minute, I'll go ahead to add the eggs, and then I'll cover to cook for the next 1 to 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, the egg sauce is ready. You can as well add your vegetables at this point, but I'm not using vegetables, so over here our egg sauce is ready, and my yam is perfectly cooked as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have watched to this very point, thank you for watching, and I do appreciate. If you are new here, please do well to subscribe to the channel. To my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Thank you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.